G'day folks, welcome back. Well, decided to do another painting after the last disaster piece, and hopefully this one will end a bit better. We're going to let the finish coat dry a bit longer this time. Shh, don't tell the other guy. Alright. Let's see what we got. Going to do another silver base coat, silver finish coat, base coat, Whoa, that was out to kill me. It's not very nice. So let's get over here. Come on. Get this off. come up here really quickly. I think I know what I did wrong in the last video. I'm 99% sure I know what I did wrong. So we're now going to let them dry for just a couple of minutes. So this is the part where you should fast forward in the video, because I don't edit stuff because I'm incredibly lazy. I also don't know how to, so when you come back in a few minutes, we'll be hosing this thing off. Oh, I missed a spot. I'm having a great day today. Mr. Fumbles. All right. Take this up to this one. Oops. Here. Right. Yeah, so we're just going to wait a little bit longer. Well, now, do some of that. Oh my goodness. It is a really cool pattern on this one. So let's not screw it up, eh? Just gonna let it sit there. Just let our inner Bob Ross paint some trees, some happy little trees. But I love the curving on this one. It's really aggressive. I like it. Ding dong, ding 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 doo doo. Just gonna wait a little bit longer. If you've come back after fast forwarding a bit, you're early. I like your initiative. You're a go-getter. Give it another 30 seconds. Play some elevator music. Some checkers, snakes and ladders, I don't know. But we're getting pretty close here. I can feel it in my bones. The hose is ready. Ooh, should I go or shouldn't I? I don't know. Hi, I'm the guy that said 30 seconds ago that you should fast forward 30 seconds and come back because I should be hosing off by then. That guy is really bad at estimating time periods, it turns out. He's horrible at his job and we fired him. I'd give it another 30 seconds to a minute. You know, I'm really worried because if you watched the last video, you saw what went. Let me explain what went wrong. These edges, I did not separate them when I spray painted them, so I had to put an extra thick layer in. I screwed up. You all saw what happened. So, well, what the heck? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we're about to find out what regret means. Whee! Kind of looks really cool with the water droplets on there. You know what I might do on a future project is, I forget the dude's channel's name. He gives spray paint tips. He's really cool dude. And yeah, he gives you tips on how to get the water droplet effect. So if I got some black paint and came from this side and sprayed across there and dusted it really quickly, then some white paint from this angle and dust it real quick, and don't move it and let everything dry, it'll look like water droplets on it. I've done it to a canvas before and it came out really cool. I like that. That'll do. Hooray! I didn't screw this one up. Woo! We get some more excess water off there. Push him down sharp. This one here. Get that water off there. There we go. Put this guy down across. Hey, there we go. And now we'll grab you guys. Whee! And boop. I'm really, really happy with this one, especially after the results of the last one. So yeah, I staggered the canvases just for something different. Really glad I did it. That looks really cool. Like I said, you can see how the ratio nearly lined up. There's a swing back and forth, and it sort of comes back nearly on the same spot for the next swing. Because I put more energy into it, yeah, it did some cool stuff. Really looks three-dimensional from when you're standing sort of looking down upon it. I love that. Really cool effect. So yeah, redemption painting, because the last one was, well, poo-poo caca. It wasn't, I ruined it by overdoing the edges, but there you go, folks. Just want to say thank you for stopping by and checking out the weirdness. If you see me streaming some games, I've been playing some Generation Zero, trying to find all the collectibles. Pop in, chat and say good day. I'll see you all next time.